the enemy attacks destiny helpers. And the zeal, the desire to help you dies. He kills the fire, the desire. Some people come in our lives with excitement, with the zeal to help us. And death strikes. Before you know, that zeal is out. Now the pandemic is here. COVID-19 is here. There are businesses that are on the list of closing down. That's death. Financial death. Businesses close. Other businesses are trying and struggling to float. But the enemy, the predator has already, they're in the grip of death. They may struggle for another 6 months, but the death sentence has already been